Right, welcome to Echo VR. If you don't know what this game is and you've never seen it, it's basically Space Frisbee. I have done, what's it called? I have done Beat Saber, as you know, but I want to branch out a bit more and do some new games. So, let's do this, shall we? This is a little bit too loud. I'm going to turn it down just a bit. I love the fact I can see my arms. Just loading in. Oh god, right. First I'm muting this shit. Let me mute. Please let me mute.
I know how to get through.
Mute all. There we go. So, this is Zero Gravity. Check this out. Whoosh. Oh, I missed. Yeah, this is Zero Gravity. It's pretty fun. This is the lobby, by the way. We'll play a couple games and I'll show you how the game works. Dinosaur. So, as you can tell, it's Zero Gravity. I also have little jet boosters. I can angle myself where I want to go. Yeah, pretty fun. I don't really have a plan for this video. Normally, like, when I do record, I normally, like, I want to do a swing, but I don't know, I just got on Echo VR and, you know, thought I'd play it. He has hit my fucking dinosaur. I'm gonna get the bitch. Right, let's play a game, shall we? I'm not in the mood to explain any of it either, which is concerning. Yeah,
Finding match. Joining match.
Oh, I'm instantly joining. Cool. So the objective of the game is to throw a frisbee through a hoop.
Get to your launchers.
Oh.
15,
Oh.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
It's easier to show it than to actually play.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's do this, boys. Oh fuck. Where did it go? Come here. Give me the disc. Fuck. I'm retarded. Don't worry about it. I haven't really got to be saying, I don't really plan for this. I'm just going to play it and just see if you want all this content. I'd probably speak more. But, it's got finished. Why can't I?
The session moves to order.
Grab it. Grabbing this guy's ankles. Grabbing this guy's ankles. Give me your ankles. Bitch. Hey, we won. Someone scored. Who scored? It was Donkey Donk. Not bad, not bad.
Get to your launchers.
I'm trying to mute all right now because I am not. Actually, no. We'll have some fun. We'll have some fun. I'm gonna unmute everybody.
Donkey Donk 15. Can I tell you something? What?
You know, I'm not gonna speak through this. I'm just gonna let whatever happens.
Donkey Donk. Hang on to me. 3, go faster. 2. Oh no. No.
This is funny.
Donkey Donk. We got this.
Whoosh. Oh.
Donkey
I
Donk.
thought I could just catch it.
Disc stolen.
Yes. Yes. Let's go. It's mine.
Oh, I got it.
Come on,
I've got
pass it.
Oh, no, I just tried to throw it out the way.
Get it, donkey. No. Donk. Right, I got
scored.
you. Now we're gonna go in a faster go.
I scored.
Yes.
Look at that.
Let's
I got
go.
some. Hey, yes, man.
Yeah, you can't defeat us, you fat orange. These kids. Annoying orange. I heard about annoying orange.
I'm not
Orange.
muting this. This is gonna be beautiful.
Donkey Donk. Donkey Donkey, I'm gonna hang on to you. Yeah. Hang on. Oh God, no.
Kids.
Gotcha.
Oh, we're gonna have a 4-chain. This is gonna be a 4-chain. This is gonna be fun.
Go! No, Donkey Donk! Go! Let's go!
This kid. This kid. I muted myself so they can't hear me because, again, I don't want them to go, oh my God, you do YouTube?
Too easy! Too easy! That's just
kids-
too easy for me.
The kid's right.
Too
It's actually
easy.
quite easy.
Nice
That
one,
was-
Donkey Donk. Nice one. Give you a
my God,
thumbs
these
up. Grab no, Donkey Donk.
Get to your launcher.
No. No. Okay.
14,
We can do this.
13,
Yeah, we can do this.
11, 10,
Because we already. It's kind of weird going in the same. It's 8. It's 8-0. It's 8-0. Gotcha. There.
3, 2, 1.
No. Woo!
Team test cleared the launcher.
Putting on to you, Donkey Donk.
Oh, fuck. Oh, what a punch.
Wait, what? What is happening? I don't know. It's glitching. Pass it.
Get it in.
Too
Get it
easy.
in.
Wait, no. Throw it in. No. I got it.
This kid
I got it. It's okay. We'll get it. No. Guys,
Oh,
I have to go to my dinner. Wait, what? This kid. I got it. Wait, no. Guys, I have to go to my dinner.
oh this
Okay.
kid. Come. Oh,
Just joking. I had my dinner. I'm just joking,
Bitch.
guys. I'm just joking.
this kid.
Come on, guys. We can do this.
You're grabbing this guy's ankles. I'm punching him.
I psyched him.
I'll punch him.
Knock him out.
Oh, he's over there.
No, what? I got it.
Run,
Wait,
little
what?
kid. Run. This is a clusterfuck. I
We
love it.
won 8 points, guys. No. No.
GG.
No, we lost. That's okay. No, it's okay.
I
It's okay.
hope-
Just go.
I hope
It's
this
6-4.
kid-
It's
That's
6
not
to
this one,
4.
This one.
6 to 4.
I hope this kid watches
It's
my
6
video.
to 2, actually.
Like, comes
6 to
across
2.
it.
Oh.
It'd be funny if it
Wait,
would.
before we.
Get to your launchers.
This is funny. I don't even know. They saying
Okay,
good score, but I
I'm
don't
on
even know.
number 5.
Oh, it's 8
Me
to
too.
2. Oh, I'm gonna be careful. I'm going up here, bitches. Oh, move. Stop box.
Right. Hang on. Here.
Let's do this.
Good. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! This is so fun. No!
Whoosh.
I'll make you feel better. Oh. Donkey Donk, give it to me. I got it.
Come
Now
up
let
here.
me move.
Oh wow.
Oh, why would you take it? Bro, really? Donkey Donk. No! Donkey Donk, stay still. I'm coming towards you. Gotcha.
These kids.
No! Okay, we got. No! No! Donkey Donk, I want to grab this. Ow!
Why?
We got this! Yes! Stop going for me, you idiot! Not you, Donkey Donk. We got this. We got
I already know the comments for this one, boys.
Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it in! Go!
Go that way. Go.
I'm gonna be the goalie. I'll be in the goalie to make sure he doesn't get it in.
I know you can't hear me, but he's a shit goal.
You're late. No! Don't throw it at her! If you throw it at, you're an idiot. No! Yep, you're an idiot. I said fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's 6 to 4. It's 8 to 4 actually. It's
Oh
8.
god. For a first time
It's 8 to 4.
showing this video on YouTube,
We have
this
8, they have
is
4.
as good as it gets.
Yep.
Kids raging on a video.
Get to your launchers.
Why? Get away.
Alright, let's do this.
15, 14,
Get here. You. Go in number 4.
10,
No. Okay.
9,
Yes, I'm going with you.
7,
I'm going with you.
6,
Why?
4,
Because I want to.
3, 2, 1.
Got you in time.
Whoosh.
Go. I'll protect you. They won't be getting it today. You're gonna protect. Ah!
I'm sorry, that was a good
No.
throw. Anyone else?
Let's go. Eat it up. Eat it up.
We've won anyway.
Eat
It's
it up.
actually 2-1. Yeah, we won.
No, wait, we won. I'll protect you. Yes. I think
Hey, we won. That's pretty cool.
No, what happened? I think the game's still glitching. Oh,
Game is glitching.
No, we won. Let's go.
Oh, look at this.
Yes.
Yo, there's kids that hurt my ears.
I'm right here.
I leveled up. That's cool.
I'm gonna go right here next.
I had 3 shots on goal. That's cool.
Well, bye bye. Donkey Dong. Donkey Dong, can I tell you something? Over here. What? Oh, we're gonna leave, so bye bye. No, don't.
I'm just gonna wave everybody. How long has the recording been going for? I can't even check. I should ever do a couple more matches. Yeah, couple more. I think. Oh yeah, I'm still muted. That's good. What's up?
Just ask you like he does.
Oh, cool. Missed it.
Oh, don't try your slow shit with me.
Oh my god, there's so many people.
Or just back
Oh, this is what I was gonna say. So this is me.
I just grabbed onto him because...
This is me. It's like a mirror. I can customize myself, but I kept it like this. What's echo points?
Oh my, go away. I'm leaving, bye.
Oh, you could buy echo. No.
I'm gonna go and set up your spectators.
Right, we'll do one more round. This is fun.
Nice.
Let me know if you actually want more of this.
Finding
Of
match.
Echo VR. Or it's
I
called Space Frisbee, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Just wanted to join a match.
No, my friend is left.
Joining match.
Oh, joining, cool. Let's do this.
We stop with...
Alright.
Let's punch these balls.
Oh god, there's more kids.
Who said hello? Oh,
Me.
I look satisfying.
Oh, who's playing hi? Oh, hang on.
Me.
I don't see anyone.
Hello.
Oh, I see you. Look, this is what we treat red boys.
Damn.
Yes.
You're aggressive.
I'm gonna give him the left hook. Oh. Uppercut. Oh. Yes.
I'm just gonna watch this kid for a sec. Come on, I'm just gonna
Let's be friends with them.
No, let's just watch this kid. I'm watching this one.
Let's be friends. Okay, let's go. Get ready.
Round starting soon. Oh, 15 seconds. Alright, let's go.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The round has begun.
What a catch.
I'm above him. Nice.
I keep getting fucked.
No.
I could punch, but
No, get him. Yeah. Oh my god, this is
oh, come on, get out of there. Fuck it. Yo, what the fuck?
What the? You just instantly threw it as soon as you got it. Yo, get him. Get it.
Oh, we've got it. Oh no, we don't. Fuck.
Abada. No, this is so crazy. Yo.
It's so close to the goal as well.
Bro, what's going on?
Nice.
Hey, I think that was me, wasn't it?
Oh, we win.
Oh, it was cool. Oh god, that mic. Someone's using a voice changer.
We win.
The fuck are you doing? Bro?
Yes.
It's going good.
14,
Yes, let's go.
11, 10,
Bro, who's banging on wood?
7,
What?
6, 5,
Someone's banging on wood. I hear someone banging on something. Someone's literally
I think
smashing.
I think it's
Ow!
What the fuck?
My head. I see the red man approach. He
That
looks
orange,
kind of
what,
sus.
colorblind boy?
He kind of
That orange.
sus.
That
He kind of
orange, boy.
sus.
Punch him. Nah.
Haha. We did it. That's what you get. We win.
Really, that guy seriously missed.
No, grab him.
You see that?
Guys, grab them and then punch him across the face.
I'm not punching anybody.
No,
There's so
grab
many
them.
punches.
I'm gonna beat him up. Why you just
Fast discs and
it?
loud noises.
Why you just get over here. I'm a
Why?
grab you and then punch you in the face.
Where did?
Go,
Oh,
go,
sorry.
go, 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 go,
Shit.
go.
Let's go.
Get it. Get him. Get him. No. You can't get me if I'm
The
blocking.
fuck?
You can't get me if I'm blocking.
Oh, what the? Yeah.
Ah, fair enough. Whoa.
Bruh, are you
oh.
thinking that's scary?
Was it an inside shot? Yeah, inside shot. It's only 2 points for an inside shot. GG.
Get to your launchers.
I feel offended.
What the fuck?
15.
What's the points for now? Oh, it's 2-2. It's 2-2. Alright.
I'll jump off someone's back.
9.
Alimo, I'm behind you. Never mind. I mean, I am now.
I'm gonna zoot off this guy.
Yes, let's go. Grab his toes.
I was waiting for him to throw it.
Behind you, behind you. Jake, Jake,
Oh,
Ah, no. Oh, no. No, watch out. Watch out. Oh, man. No, watch out, man. Watch out. Yes, I did it.
I didn't even see what it was.
Bro, punch him.
Get it, get it, get it.
Punch. Get him. Get his toes. Oh, I just accidentally just did something.
Freud behind you, Freud
Yeah,
behind
get
you.
him toes. Get him. Get him. Grab him. Grab the red.
Oh,
grab
was that
the
getting
orange,
to
orange,
I
and
said,
red.
hey. That was a long shot. Yeah, long shot. Yeah. Eight.
Hello. Didn't mean to do that. GCL Gaming, yes. Oh, my hand.
I got the good lads 3 points now. Wait, am I the only one who's got points? I'm the only one who's scored points.
7. 6. 5. 4. 3.
Let's do this, boys. Nope. Nope.
And I'm gonna punch the man.
Ah, fuck. I was just gonna throw it
I'm
out.
beating you down and I'm gonna punch your face and make you cry. Hello.
I'm just trying to get it on the other side. Fuck.
I'm gonna beat your face. Hey,
The last time I got punched. Shit.
I got a fist and an apple. I'm a fist you apple. Let me grab
Behind
your
you, gaming,
toes.
behind you. Freud, Freud,
Why am I
yeah.
so shit?
Alimo, Alimo, Alimo.
I just really just want to punch you.
Missed that so hard.
I thought I was on shot.
Get it,
What the fuck? Did he seriously get through everything?
nice.
Grab him. Oh, yeah, bro. Get him.
Get
yes,
the
grab his
disc.
leg. Aha.
Oh, fuck.
Boom.
Where
Grab
did
it.
it go?
Boom.
Freud,
Oh.
Freud.
Yeah. Yo, that was perfectly.
Is this so
That was
chaotic?
perfect. Boom. Boom. Grab him. Yes, bro. Get him. Hey, hey, orange. What kind of?
Fucking hell. I keep falling over in real life. Just throw it. Just throw it.
Here, here, here. They're going to the goal. Go fast, go fast.
Grab him. No. Let me grab him. Let me grab him so I can have a punch.
Here, here, give it.
We've won anyway.
Hey, don't get me. Oh, never mind. You can.
Freud.
Oh.
Oh,
I'm
got
scared.
shit aim.
I'm scared. Hey, man.
Oh, we've won.
Okay, overtime, overtime.
Hey, man.
It's not overtime, we've won.
Oh no, we won. Okay.
Yo, let's go!
I gotta get MVP, shouldn't I? I got all the points. I must get MVP.
Let's do this!
Let's check, shall we? Yeah, thought so.
Zeno.
Good game.
Zeno too. Ooh, we did it! Max complete.
Alright, you know
There was
what?
a like weird
gonna end
blood
it
thing.
there.
I
That
just
was,
yeeted
pretty
it
fun.
and it never came back.
Enjoy kids screaming again, I guess. I haven't got a really smooth way to end the video, so I'm gonna do the classic, you know, just click the Oculus button and click end recording. So, I don't know. Hope you enjoyed, I guess.